Welcome to Healing Bite. Have you ever noticed someone slowly backing away while you're speaking, and you're left wondering why? Unpleasant body odor could be the silent reason, and let's be honest, it can feel really embarrassing. But don't worry. In today's video, we're going to explore natural and effective ways to stay fresh and odor-free, without harsh chemicals. Body odor doesn't actually come from sweat itself. Surprised? Your sweat is mostly odorless, until it mixes with the bacteria living on your skin. We all have two types of sweat glands. Backhand index pointing right eccrine glands, which keep your skin cool, no smell here. Backhand index pointing right apocrine glands, which release proteins and fats that bacteria feed on, and that's what causes odor. So the problem isn't sweat, it's the bacteria breaking it down. Most of us reach for deodorants or antiperspirants, but applying them directly on the skin every day? That can lead to dark patches, rashes, boils, and constant irritation. Your skin needs to breathe, not be suffocated by chemicals. So instead of covering up the odor, let's treat the root cause, naturally. Healing Bite tip number 1. Mix lemon juice with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray gently under your arms, let it sit for 30 seconds, then wipe clean with a soft cloth. Lemon helps lower skin pH, making it tough for bacteria to thrive. Tip number 2. Neem is a natural antibacterial powerhouse. Grind fresh neem leaves into a paste, dilute with water, and spray under the arms. Leave for a short while, then gently wipe off. You'll feel fresh and detoxed. Tip number 3. Use alum, also known as fit carry. Dip a piece of alum in water and gently rub it under your arms. Its antiseptic properties help stop bacteria and control odor without harming your skin. Beyond remedies, hygiene matters. Bathe twice daily in hot weather, wear clean, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. And keep underarms and groin areas trimmed. Tighter synthetic clothes trap sweat and feed bacteria, avoid them. You are what you eat. Foods like onion, garlic, cabbage, and meat, especially red meat, can intensify body odor. Why? Because they contain sulfur, which smells like rotten eggs. Also, avoid too much caffeine, alcohol, and smoking, they all worsen the odor issue. Did you know stress can increase body odor? A stressed mind leads to more sweat and more bacterial activity. Practice relaxation, deep breathing, and mindful living. Your thoughts influence your body more than you think. Your body is designed to produce odor, but how it smells is in your hands. Follow these simple tips from Healing Bite, and experience the power of nature. Smell fresh. Feel confident. Live clean. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic health tips.